Ayo. Ayo po. Ay, may ngudto kuya. May ngudto ya. Hi, Inday. Hi, Nani.
Hi!
Annyeonghaseyo, everyone. So, this is the family of Queenie. Queenie's Kajok. So, this is the father of Queenie. Hi, kuya. So, what's your name ni mo, kuya?
Jesus,
Jesus. Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 65 next week. This 21.
Mag senior citizen na, kuya? Kuya.
Walang ko'y trabaho. Mauna na uling nga ako sa...
Kuya, grabe lagi kay Coco. Ulit ako og face card o. Si Honey. Oh. So, imong work, kuya? Imong work?
Wala naman kayo work.
Wala ra. So, ikaw ay nag-take good care nila, Queenie.
Ako rin ina. Tatay.
So, ikaw, Honey, the older sister of Queenie, right? So, how old are you?
I'm 20 years old, turning 21 this year.
Okay, so, college naman ka sa?
Yes.
Third year college, right? So, what course?
Business administration.
And what school?
ECLC College of Mandaue.
So, ang imong plitihan, double ride ka? Two rides?
Kuan, if mauli ko, mag-two rides ko, pero panasaram kayang suong maagi sa eskwelahan.
But if padong adto, naray one ride.
Ang PT sa langit.
Sige lang, 1 year na lang. Fighting na lang. And then, kaniyo, kailan ni Dubuya? So, Queenie. Okay, so, you are grade 8 atin, no?
Yes, sir.
And then, pila gila imong edad lang ka?
I am turning 15 this June.
Okay, so 15. So, you are reaching grade 9 next year, right? So, I am here actually, kuya, especially sa father ni Minday, no? To ask permission about buunin since you've already discussed this one with your family, right? Ang kabalo naman siguro mo kaya, no? So, Queenie has been blessed and was given an opportunity, an offer by her sponsor. So, kinsa guys sponsor naman? So, si Buonim. So, he said that he will assure you that iyaha ko nung sponsoran si Queenie o iyahang pa-transferon sa Einstein School of Cebu, which is a private school. Inig ka, grade 9 niya. But then, dili man po taingon makadecide ayun, no, because there are a lot of factors, right? So, I have given you time to discuss it with your family. Apil man mo ang mama and then?
Yes, sir.
So, the mother of Queenie is in abroad, right? Ang sa galayang work?
Kanang
Bata.
Domestic helper. Okay. So, since the mother of Queenie is at work, we can't video call her. But then, you already have a conversation regarding this matter. Okay, so, ikaw kuya. So, manimuhang
Maganda ko sa ilang mama. Ganyan ang tumiin na nila. Ha? Sumay niya.
So, si papa ni mo, magagadyo siya ni mama. Si mama man ang maoy maghatag og provision, right? Okay. So, ikaw, Haning,
kuan hindi man jud ko makabot sa kung sa decision sa mga kung sa decision amo na i-support.
okay, so, that's very good, right? Because, Queenie is the one who will be going to school. So, dili man kita, no? So, ikaw, Ate Queenie, you will be the last say. Ikaw, Jud, ang kinalasan mo decide, right?
Yeah.
So, how about the offer?
So actually, sir, I am grateful that Buonim gave me that kind of opportunity because
nindot bitaw siya nga opportunity sa niyang gihatag kay na ay like willing gid siya mo pa-eskwela na ko o private school. Tas for me lang good cheer is kanang grateful jud ko, like I am grateful nga nihatag siya nga anak na opportunity, but sorry to say that I decline the offer ang kabuunin that you gave me because there is a lot of reason why nga ni-decline ko ato kay first of all, buunin, we don't have electricity at our home and we're just using solar. The second of all is kanang lack of technology ni, like we don't have Wi-Fi, laptop, and tablet technology nana. And third of all is it's hard for me to to let go some things like biyan ako mga friends. I have some organization siya nagyapilan dito sa akong school, which is kanang organization siya cheer bas like jerk inana.
Kato yung mga first aiders.
Oh, this naka-learn na sa kog something sa katong ba nga organization niya. Mo to cheer like kuan sad kanang lisod si kaayo kay kana betang wala sa kay ko katultol dito. There's hard for me sad cheer kay kanang I don't want someone manggod na mag-expect dako kayo sa ako. I like wala man ko ningon na mag-expect sila dako. Like mag-expect ra sila sa ako cheer ba. It's hard for me lang gid nga mag-expect is at the end ma-disappoint na ko sila like sakit pag para cheer.
So Sylvie, murag ma-pressure ka
Yeah,
to
ma-pressure
what
ka,
other
cheer.
people will say.
Yes. Yeah. Mo cheer like ilang gid ko ganahan nga kanang ma-disappoint ako ang isa ka tao.
So, there are a lot of factors. First is, ang inyong balay. So, you don't have electricity. So, kani, solar naman sa ninday, no? Yeah. Also, the electric fan, solar as well. So, unsa inyong gigamit inday? Battery? Ay, sorry. So, battery. Mga pila ka ni ka-hours? Sa mabase siya sa init. Lipod solar sa ni siya. Naman niya ang business ni Papa, no? Sound system. Wala na po ni siya kaya.
Kini kayong buwan mo say wala.
But sometimes mao gid na imuhang kaan. Gig ra. Kung naalay mo agi. So wala pud mo'y wifi.
Yeah, we don't have like
And then wala sad kay mga gadgets like laptop, tablet nga magamit nimo if ever naka sa private school, which is advanced gid sila dito kaysa nato, no? Kay kung sa public manggod were provided already. But wata kay balo sa private school if tagsa-tagsaon na mo nga needed jud mo ana or depende sa ilahang requirements. And the next factor is your organization in Mactan. So,
mura na ko na-attach.
so you already discussed it with me, right? That you have an organization. The first aiders, rescuers, unsa pa to ate?
Kanang
Okay, so napakiusapan na good. Okay, so asa kita last, your organization.
yes, cheer.
And then, the third one is, you are unfamiliar with the place.
Yes.
So, sa datag man to lang no, sa may abono. So, katultol ka na. Wala sad. So, actually, 2 rides na siya langga. Jeep, nya, mag-tricycle na sad ka. So, nahan na siya sa office ni Sir Vicky. Actually. But, unfamiliar good ka. So, and then, the last one is, you don't want to be pressured.
Oh, to disappoint someone.
To disappoint someone as well, especially Uncle Bonnie. Okay, so I will send this video to Uncle Bonnie, okay? To let him hear your side as well. Because actually, he is just giving you the offer and the opportunity, but it is you who will decide. He will not interrupt with your decision. So, kung unsa imong decision, naga na nimo, but Uncle Buonim will just be there to support you. So, I hope even though you decline the offer, you will still study well or do good in Macta National High School, okay? Because actually, the first reason of Uncle Buonim why he wanted you to transfer in Einstein School Cebu is that no, you will be going home late in the evening. And then you are a girl. So, sure, he really cared for you. Diba? Niingon to siya nga, pagka-dili na kagabiin mo uli, I will transfer you sa Einstein School of Cebu. Kay basin morning go ilahang schedule ato sa.
Actually, sir, grade 9 is morning siya.
Okay, alternate naman, diba? Oh, so, Buonim. Actually, in the Macta National High School, their schedule will be changed every grade level. So, grade 7 is morning. Grade 8, afternoon. And then grade 9, morning. Grade 10, afternoon. Oh. So, in your grade 9, you're already morning shift. No, so, okay ba? So, in grade 10, nasad ka afternoon shift, which is you will be going home late in the evening again. Right. Okay, so, I will just update you lang ga as to what your Uncle Buonim responds to your decision. Okay? Or, what is his message to you? So, how about you? You have a message to your Uncle Buonim?
Yes, sir. So, Uncle Buonim, thank you for the opportunity that you gave me. I truly appreciate it. Yes, even though I declined the offer that you gave me, I assure you, Buonim, that I will do well on my studies. And thank you for your support, love, and kindness. I hope that dili ra ka manglain sa kong decision. I hope that you will understand my perspective. So, it's okay.
Thank you, Inday. Fighting!
Thank you.
Thank you kay Honey. Kuya, thank you, Kuya. So, let us have a quick tour to Ate Queenie's house. So, nanad yung mga changes, Ate, no? So, before I visited their house, is that
We don't have walls.
so there is still no boundary. So, usa pa ni siya. One hole. One hole. Karon, na half na siya. This one is
Room sa kong papa ug kuya.
your kuya, elder brother. Oh, asa din mong elder brother, ate?
Answer, nag-work siya.
Wala na siya ni school.
Wala sure kay ni-stop siya sa school so that kanang makerry na bitaw sa kumama like kay bugat naman gud siya kay naapa po tes napa si ate niya. If mustila pa siya college kay mas mga daghan ang kuan niya.
So, si kuya nimo is graduate sa senior high school. And then, he decided to stop this year.
Yes.
1 year. Unsay work ni kuya?
Kuan sure
All around. Saan sa man? Fast food? Restaurant. Oh, so F&B good. Okay. No? Thoughtful sa imong kuya. So, dapat tagong yung skwila Ate Queenie, no? And also, Honey is already graduating this year. Next year, I mean. So, si kuya na po'y fully. Sakta. Okay. Sige, so this one, room ni
ang ate ate
Queenie and her sister. Then kani room ni Char. CR. Okay ra. Nara mo'y water.
Oh, lamang.
So naka-connect ka mag-water.
Yeah,
Sa man yung binuwa ninyang water
Oh,
kaya?
300.
300 pesos every month. So ang inyo hagad yung electricity. Solar. Sige. So dining area. This one here. Sige. Nya, na naman po mo ikatong nahuman na to inyong gipakuan nga si Arya. Okay, last visit na ko here is nagpasiptik si kuya, no. Napintala na sad.
Gawat mo sa senior na tungkuan.
Sige. So, mauna to kuya. Salamat kaayo. And then, just tell your mother ha nga we've already conducted an interview. If she has time, pwede ka sad siya makig-talk na ko personally sa video call. Ha? Sige. Thank you, Inday.
Kamina, bye-bye.
Thank you, kuya. Honey, thank you.